I like any mail.
Hey, you know what you should do? Oh, I know what I should do, yeah. I should open the box. Yes, you should open the box. Yeah. Okay, if you ever try to open a box with one of these, and it's gonna save you the time, don't do it.
Oh, buddy. I am very excited about this box, and I'm going to tell you why. I missed out on my chance to get the first run of a certain figure. Do you know now what's in the box? Here we go. The moment has arrived.
Oh my God! What do we have here? Extreme Damage Raptor. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at that. Oh, buddy, what do we have here? Extreme Damage Dimetrodon. Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy, what do we have here? It's something I can mod. Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy, what do we have here? It's a robot turret. Yeah! Oh, buddy, what do we got here? More weapons. Yeah! Oh, buddy, what do we got here? It's the other ones. Yeah.
We got this thing where I send 2 loose and 2 in box because I always use 2 for photos, right? But man, oh my God, look at these guys. Yes! Awesome. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
And this is my favorite part of stuff. Look at this. Look at this guy. What he does.
These are crazy. If you don't have any of Pete's sign work, you gotta go on Instagram and you gotta check out his page or check out his Facebook stuff, because he's after helping out a lot of people, giving them some really cool decals. He's making reversible paddock signs that you can like literally interchange with magnets, different dinosaurs. What? Look at this.
Awesome. Crocodiles and Ankylosaurus.
Awesome.
Wicked. Last, yes. Look at you. Look at you. It's about it, you both with the rubber.
So there you go. Another wicked mail call from Jurassic Pete Custom Collections. If you don't follow him on Instagram, go check out his page, man. It's very cool.